Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create chart of accounts here in Zoho Books. Alright, first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now go to the left panel and click on Accountant. Click on it. Now here we have chart of accounts. Click on it. And by the way, you can go ahead and import chart of accounts if you have a file right there. Okay, setting, click on three dots, click on import. Now, if you want to create new, just click on new right here. Now go ahead and add in the account type and account name. Let's say assets, okay, or other assets. Now account name right here, name it however you want. Let's say I'm just going to name it COA new sample, okay. Account code COA1, a description right here if you want to add in descriptions, okay. If you want to add this one to the watch list on your dashboard, just click on this checkbox. And if you also want this one to show as an active account in Zoho Expense, you can go ahead and click on this checkbox. Once done, just hit on save, wait for it to load, and here we now have our new chart of account. You can click on it. There you go. Edit it if you want to as well. Click on three dots, mark as inactive or delete. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.